So magandang araw kabola. Sa video nito pag-uusapan natin isang interesting po kabola, no? Na in a way PBA related po na controversy ng mga courtside reporters kabola. Of course, hindi po yung scandal, no? Kabola. And then of course, we will talk about a very fresh na rumor from Snow Padua. So hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. So ito na nga po kabola, comments muna tayo ng mga fans kabola. Ito po yung sa post ko dito about kay Brownie. Pa-shoutout sir, sabi ni Boss Ronald. Paulo Felix with the 3 times up. Joboy Yave. Yun palang magic ni Brownie since 2016. Droga. Grabe nun yan. Nag-react po si Jesse Torne. Wala kang muwang nga. Recreational drugs yung tinik niya at prescribed ng doktor dahil sa injury niya. Isa pa normal na gamitin sa NBA yung recreational drug, sabi niya kabola, etc. First, I do not think we did have seen a report, clear report kabola, na stating na it was from a medicine kabola. I think hindi pa yun klaro. Secondly, recreational drug siya sa point of view ng ibang states ata or ilang states sa USA, pero sa point of view ng FIBA, of course, it's a banned substance kabola. So if it's a banned substance, it's illegal kabola, no? So no matter what your opinion is with marijuana kabola, if it's banned, it's banned. That's the rule, di ba? That's the law. At yan nga po ulit ang pangalawang beses na kabola na nalabag po ni Justin Brownlee. Now, of course, we need to hear the entire story first, kabola, kung ano ba talaga ito. And of course, gusto rin natin siguro makahingi ng ton mula dito kay Justin Brownlee. Now, ito pong issue, kabola, ng mga courtside reporters. Ira Pablo, kabola. Malala niyo ba ito? She became an courtside reporter for a few games kabola, and then the very popular Apple David kabola. So basically, kwento niya po sa kanyang post sa kanyang social media kabola na ito nga pong si Apple David daw kabola ay pinuli siya. Kumbaga parang hindi sa atin ng kwento kasi is that may ginawang kwento itong si Apple David kabola na kabilang doon sa Ira Pablo, parang ganon kabola. So yun, parang yun, bullying, di ba kabola? Ang ano ko lang, of course, madaming screenshot na nilabas po si Madam Ira Pablo kabola, pero still, di ba? We still need to hear the other side naman by Apple David. Of course, David, I think, is the most popular courtside reporter now, di ba? Kasi, I mean, silent na yung asawa ni Kevin Alas kabola kasi nanganak kabola at saka may sakit. Pero so, now, pinakasikat na is siya kabola. So, at the very least, let's give him the opportunity to explain herself naman if he ever wanted to, kasi bullying is of course a big issue din dito po sa Pinas. Now, bad news for Converge kabola. Ito nga si Jordan Heading kabola, injury siya, hindi siya nagpupush po for a train or something, injured daw siya kabola. Actually, di ba injured siya dun sa pagtatapos po ng kanilang kampanya last conference, injured na siya dun kabola. So yun nga, back injury daw, and of course they want to be careful about it. Na for me naman is the right play. Jordan Heading still young kabola, and no disrespect naman for what they currently have kabola. They have a very good young lineup, pero still very young kabola, di ba? They are logical naman siguro in their management of their team kabola. There's no need to rush itong si Heading kabola kasi hindi pa to yung best form ng lineup na pwede lang mabuo to win a championship. Now, ito na nga po yung rumor natin kabola. So ito nga sa Aban Naba, nakaka-trade lang actually sa Northport Batang Pier daw, ay interesado daw po makuha ng Hinebra kabola. Nilabas yan of course ni Boss Snow Padua kabola. So, ang tanong ko agad-agad, bakit? Diba? They have a lot of ball handlers kabola, diba? They have a lot. Maverick Ian Misi, Holt, Abarrientos, Tenorio did not even get playing time the finals kabola, diba? What's the point of getting Nava? And Nava, hindi naman siya yung hype niya in the draft, it was not his shooting kabola eh. He is basically dribbling guard din. So, I do not see the logic. Pero, baka lang, may nalaman ito pong Hinebra. Pero kung nalaman nyo ng Hinebra, ba't hindi nalaman ng San Miguel, di ba? Kabola. Pero, baka interesado, somewhere, somehow, kabola. So, tingnan natin kung ano po yung magiging trade, kung sakaling matuloy. Pero, of course, we are still hopeful for a fair trade. Like yung trade lang, actually, ni Nava from San Miguel to Northport. Kabola, sa pagkaya mo, makukuha ka kaya ng Hinebra to, kami lang po, so, ba?